The next big feature that we've released over the last quarter is something called list of values. It's a strange, well, it's not really a strange name if you're a technical person. If you're a non-technical person like most of us, it is a bit of a strange name. But really, list of values is a really simple feature that allows you to define a list of options for a field within your HROnboard environment. That list can be made available and people can choose the options. Now, one of the really cool things about list of values is they can determine the options in another list. So you can choose a department and then get a list of position titles within that department. So you can create this cascading hierarchy of lists of options that back office users or new starters select. Best of all, these can be configured and maintained by yourselves. For the technical type of people, we'll show you a little bit on the next screen what they are. But effectively, you just need a CSV file. What these are really useful for, as I sort of alluded to with position titles, but it's any form of list data that has some cascading or relationship. So we're seeing a lot of options around pay rates, position codes, departments, cost centers. So one of the very cool things is if you have your departments, within each department you have a list of valid positions, and then within each position has a valid position code and a valid pay rate. You can now maintain those or have them exported from your payroll system and have them uploaded into HROnboard, and they can then be used within your office. So this is a screenshot here of how to edit a list of values. You'll see here we've got department and position title. They're the two selectors. So you select the department, then you select the position title. And what happens in the background is Offers is automatically now calculating the relevant position code for that title and the base salary. This is really good and really useful for all of those customers that have their data going into their payroll system, because it ensures the right pay rates are going into the pay systems. And all of this data is maintainable by yourselves using a CSV file. So that's a CSV, nice simple text format. Pretty much most payroll systems can produce it. So if you've got this data in your payroll system, you can upload it and maintain it in HROnboard. So if you want to start using these, or you've got ideas of how you can use it, once again, reach out to us, chat to your CS consultant, and they'll help you get them set up. We've got a lot of customers already using them, and they can be used in for very large data sets. So we're talking hundreds and hundreds of options. It's a very good way of managing large amounts of data, and it is all under your control.